Hi, hello, welcome back to the class, everyone. Today we are learning the Sinhala and Tamil keyboard, about the Sinhala and Tamil keyboard, how to use the Sinhala and Tamil keyboard. If you can remember, I told you that not only English keyboards are available there, okay? So in whatever the language you want to write, you can use the particular language's keyboard. So basically the keyboard has been produced for English language. Normally, basically, all the keyboards are in English language. However, various techniques have been introduced into this keyboard for different nationals to type in their own language through this keyboard. So, also they have provided a technique, or there are various techniques to introduced. Okay, there are various techniques introduced into this keyboard for different national to type. So, for an example, if you are typing in Sinhala, there is a technique to type in a Sinhala. If you are typing in Tamil, there is a technique in the keyboard, and by right, you should remember them. You should by heart them. These singers and other model is this is I tell you later what is a Unicode system. So normally when we are using these keyboards, we use them to enter data. Okay, in Sinhala, and it is also used in the present computers. So whatever the computer we are using, this keyboard is there to type in Sinhala, right? That is standard Sinhala keyboard. It is Vijay Sekara Sinhala keyboard. We call it as what? Vijay Sekara Sinhala keyboard. And phonetics keyboard. Phonetics keyboard means this is somewhat an easy method, and the keyboard can be used according to Sinhala sounds, based on Sinhala sound. That is why it is called as phonetic. Therefore, it is not necessary to know the location of the appropriate letters. Here you don't need to remember the location of the appropriate letter. You can send SMS messages in mobile phone using this method. Therefore, you are already familiar with this method. So, if you are typing in Tamil or Sinhala also, we are using phonetic keyboards. Okay, it is not necessary to remember the letters location. Okay, it is not necessary to remember the letters location. So here for an example, phonetic mean it is based on the Sinhala sound only. So for an example, if you are writing amma, the sound is a, first letter is a, so the sound is a now. So you type a. M, திரும்ப again ma, M, and again A, amma. You type it with these letters and automatically it will be changed into Tamil letters or Sinhala letters. Understood? Right. The next one is use of Tamil keyboards. Tamil keyboards also like that. Unicode keyboard is mostly used when typing in Tamil letters. What is a Unicode? Again, I will tell you what is a Unicode. So this is the Tamil keyboard, and to read a letter prepared by using Unicode font, it is not necessary to have installed Unicode font in the computer of the user. For an example, when you are using the word processing software, this one, you write things, right? After writing things, you are using some font styles. Fonts. These are fonts. See here. It changes, right? Like this. So, for an example, I have written using this font. This is a font style. If I uh, if I take this document, okay, for an example, I take this document in a pen drive. Okay, I take it in a pen drive. I transferred it in a pen drive, and I opened this document in Asma's computer. For an example, in Asma's computer, right? Normally when we are typing things, when we are uploading them in the computer, in the internet, or when we are mostly when we are typing, we are using Unicode fonts. Okay, there are Unicode fonts. So, however, to read a letter prepared by using a font other than Unicode font, okay, other than Unicode font, if you type it with another font, right, uh, the relevant font should have been installed in the computer of the user's computer, as I told you. The Unicode font is an open source software, right? So the Unicode font is an open source software. It means it is a free software. You don't have to pay for that. So it can be downloaded freely from the internet. In addition to Unicode font, several other fonts such as FM, Bindumadi, FM, Abaya, etc. can be used to type in Sinhala letters. So you can use Bindumadi and FM Abaya to type in Sinhala, while several other fonts such as Bamini, Kalham, etc. can be used to type in Tamil letters. And there are many more, what do you call, many more other fonts also, okay, to write in Tamil and Sinhala, like Lata, Iskole Potha, okay, like that there are many more fonts. How to write in Tamil using the keyboard, right? There are no letters in the keyboard now. In the keyboard, the typical keyboard, when you are using your computer's keyboard, it is only in English letters. There are keyboards you can buy where Tamil and Sinhala letters are available on it. Okay, but if your keyboard is in English letters only, okay, English letters are there in your computer, in your keyboard, then what you should do, or what you have to do? It is very easy. I will show you a trick. In every computer there is a on screen keyboard. So if you want to type in Tamil or Sinhala, first of all you should go to the start button and then type keyboard. This is the on screen keyboard. Okay, click on screen keyboard, then a keyboard will be appeared like this for you. So this is the keyboard. Okay, right. Now still in this keyboard you can see English letters only, isn't it? No Tamil or Sinhala letters. So how to take this Tamil and Sinhala letters? It's pretty easy. I will show you how. Here, can you see ENG? This is the language in my computer. So for now, my computer's language is English. It is in English, right? If you want to type in Sinhala or Tamil, go select the Tamil or Sinhala from here. If you want to change the keyboard's language, you should go to here. There is the language near the time. You should go to this language and then change it into Tamil. Automatically the keyboard will be changed into Tamil. Now here what you can do, you can look at this keyboard and you can type it from your keyboard itself, right? Like this you can write, okay, in Tamil language. This is how you can take the Sinhala or Tamil keyboard. Understood, everyone? Next one, I told you last time that I will show you some of the uh, touch typing softwares. Can you remember? For an example, there is Rapid Typing Tutor, TIPP 10, okay, Type Faster. Like this, there are many more touch typing keyboards, right? You can use these touch typing keyboards to 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 train yourself for touch typing. Okay, I will show you two touch typing softwares which I have in my computer. Okay, uh, for an example, in my computer I am having uh, Typing Master, and Typing Master you should pay for that. Okay, it is not free software. You should pay for Typing Master and buy it. Okay, I have the trial version, so I will show you the Typing Master. This is the interface of Typing Master. Okay, so here you can, if you are a new user, you can go, I am a new user, and take the what do you call, you can enter your name here and go inside. So As you see here, there are many courses, right? This is a course. So in this course, there are some blocks here, because this is not the full version. That means I haven't paid for this. Okay, this is a trial version. I am using a trial version. If you want to play these also, if you want to learn these lessons, you should pay for them. Okay, right. So for now we can use the first lesson and the second lesson only. The third lesson is not open for us, so only two lessons we can play in this software. So let's play the first. So they are like teaching you how to do the touch typing here. Okay, so there are courses, there are reviews, there are typing tests, there are games, statistics, and many more things available in this software. Yes, this is like a course, not a game. There are games also. It is a course to teach you how to do touch typing. For an example, go to the first lesson 1.1, click on that, and then they are giving you some instruction here. For an example, they say what is touch typing. Touch typing is a technique for typing quicker and more accurately with all 10 fingers without ever having to look at the keyboard. After completing the touch typing course, you will know how to type faster with all 10 fingers, type without errors, type without looking at the keyboard, improve your computing habits for better ergonic, ergo, uh, ergonomics, right? This means you will be able to type your documents and emails much faster with fewer errors, saving you lots of time and making typing much more enjoyable. The second page also they are giving you some instruction. Finger positions. So in their basic positions, your fingers rest on the middle row of the keyboard. So they are teaching you how to use the keyboard. You should use your 10 fingers, and when starting you should use the middle row. Like that, they are instructing you, they are teaching you. Okay, so now place your fingers on the home row. Home row is the middle row. This is the home row. Okay, the letters where A, S, D, F, J, K, L and the semicolon is located, that is called as home row. So you should put your left hand fingers on keys A, S, D, F. See the picture. You should keep your fingers like this. Put your right hand finger on K, on J, K, L and semicolon. Let the thumb rest slightly on the space bar. Your thumb should be on the space. Keep your wrist straight and fingers slightly curled. Right? So you should type like this. So here they are instructing you how to use the keyboard, and then you can go and learn all these lessons. Okay, going to the games, there are three kinds of games, right? For an example, a bubble game. If you go to the bubble game, if you can see here you should click on the letters which is appearing. Okay, so if you leave a letter without, this is, you should do it without looking into your keyboard. Okay, see, so when you type it wrongly, see what happens here, the marks will be decreased. Okay, for an example, I am typing a letter which is not available, see, and if the bubbles goes here, the Mr. Bubbles will be noted here. Okay, so this is how you play the games. So this is not a open source one. You should pay for this and play. And this is another game. You should write. Okay. Like this, you should write, and it becomes very faster when you write it. Like this you should write. Okay, so this is another kind of a game. And this is another one. See, there are clouds are coming. You should write whatever in the cloud. If you want to shift into the next cloud, you should use the space bar and shift. Okay, like this. And there are some dark clouds will be coming for you also, right? See. So this is how you play this one. Right. The next software is uh, the rapid typing. Okay, I will show you the rapid typing also. This one, the rapid typing. Okay. So it is already here. This one, the rapid typing. So this is the rapid typing software. Here you can use the letters like, okay, see. If it is wrong, it will be shown for you in red color. Likewise, you should practice the letters. So that is rapid typing. Okay, right. So these softwares you can go to the internet and download them. It is easy. You can download them. So the rapid typing, go to this link and download the rapid typing. Also, you can download these also. Right? Okay. So as someone asked me, I don't have the language here, how to change it. I will tell you how to change it. Go to control panel. Okay, I will show you how to go to control panel. Rapid typing is an open source software. Yes, in computers. Rapid typing are open source. It is free. These three are free. And the typing master is not free. You should pay for that. Okay. Go to start button, a start menu, and write control panel. Here, languages, okay? Go to region. Go to region. Wait. Don't you have a language preference here? What type of Windows software you are using there? Is it Windows 10? You should go to languages, okay? In languages, you can add languages here. See? So here you can add languages. If you go to add a language, you can add the languages. Understood? Here, there are a lot of languages here. See? See? A lot of languages are there. So whatever Hindi, Urdu, all the languages are available here. You can apply this language and use it. Okay? You should install it. I will wind up the class for today. Hope everybody understood the lesson. Until we will meet again at the next class. Thank you for joining the class, everyone, and have a nice day.